Okay, so you see your dress. Hi, Catherine. I show you. Okay. Hi, Catherine. Say namaste to India.
Namaste.
Namaste and Kulumbai also. Say Kulumbai.
Kolombai.
Yes. How are you feeling with this dress?
I'm feeling good.
You look so pretty. So we are going to dance, right? We are going to dance. Which kind of dance? African dance with my traditional dress, right? So we are going to dance African dance, but with my Bodo traditional dress. Wow.